I have with me Akinola Senon, Executive Director and Founder of Cousemeh, correct? Yes. And Sachel Paul, student of Deltoons. I know Institute, I know there's a relationship with that. Somewhere, tell us about it.
Yeah, so Deltoons Institute, 4 years ago, we started this festival called the Cousemeh Festival.
Yeah.
It's basically a heritage festival that speaks to combining arts, craft, entrepreneurship, innovation, food, culture, awareness, a whole Cousemeh, a whole amalgamation of
and
stuff.
And this is in Siparia, correct?
In Siparia, correct.
Yeah. And when is you having something coming up soon?
Right, so the festival takes place this Sunday the 18th from 5 p.m.
Right, and people from all over Trinidad and Tobago can come down. How is Deltoons involved?
Oh, Deltoons is, well, they started up this entire thing. We will be playing in the festival as well. And a lot of stuff.
And what band do you play?
I play a tenor.
Yes.
And a bass sometimes.
You play a bass sometimes. Woman on the bass. And I know you all have a special relationship with Deltoons, right?
Yes.
Yeah, tell us.
So the Cousemeh itself is a project of the Deltoons Institute.
Yes, I remember you were here earlier on the program.
Yes.
Right, so what time people need to come down there from?
So the festival starts at 5.
Yeah.
It goes until 10.
Yes. And you're getting food and everything right there.
Right there.
Cooking right there.
Yes, so tickets are only $200.
Only $200, but that's a good deal, you know, because you're getting plenty things, right?
Plenty things. You have artists like Vonette Bigford, Brother Valentino, Carlton Alexander and the Coalpot Band, Deltoons, as Sachel said.
Right.
Mr. Charlan Bailey.
Ooh.
I mean, quite an interesting cast.
Yeah, and you have these events how often?
Huh?
How often you
once
have
a year. Once a year.
But I remember you were here last year talking about something that you were having.
Yes, well,
similar.
Well, yes, the compound where the festival is held was once the last train stop. So it has a great heritage significance. Important to mention as well, at the festival we'll be launching a couple of things. One of the things that will be launched at the festival is the Sapari Chocolate Company. Right. Which is a collaboration with the Marshall Montano Foundation for Greatness and FCB Bank as well.
Excellent.
Yes.
Wonderful. Well, thank you, Akinola Senon and Sachel Paul, for bringing that information to us. It's now 7 o'clock, so let's cross over to the TTT News with Ria.